Welcome everyone in today's video. In this video we will talk about Acer Nitro 5AN51555-53E5 gaming laptop. About this item, dominate the game. With the 10th Gen Intel Core i5-10300H processor, your Nitro 5 is packed with incredible power for all your games. RTX, it's on. The latest NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050, 4GB dedicated GDDR6 VRAM, is powered by award-winning architecture with new ray tracing cores, tensor cores, and streaming multi-processor support DirectX 12 Ultimate for the ultimate gaming performance. Visual intensity. Explore game worlds in full HD detail on the 15.6 inches widescreen LED backlit IPS display with 1920x1080 resolution, 144Hz refresh rate and 80% screen to body, 16:9 aspect ratio. Internal specifications: 8GB DDR4 2933 MHz memory, 2 DDR4 slots total, maximum 32GB, 256GB NVMe SSD, 2 XPCIe M.2 slots, 1x2.5 hard drive bay available. Prioritize your gameplay. Killer Ethernet E2600 and Intel Wi-Fi 6AX201 gives you an edge online by taking control of your network and prioritizing your gameplay. Stay cool under pressure, when heavy use requires an added boost. Acer Cool Boost technology increases fan speed by 10% and CPU, GPU cooling by 9% compared to auto mode, overall increasing thermal performance by 25% for better gaming comfort. Take control of your gaming laptop. The Nitro Sense UI can be called up with the dedicated keyboard button so you can instantly visualize your PC's component temperature, fan speed, loading performance, power plan, and more. With Alexa Show Mode, you can use your PC as a full-screen interactive experience that features rich visuals and lets you talk to Alexa from across the room. Ports for all your accessories: USB 3.2 General 2 Type-C, 2 USB 3.2 General 1, USB 3.2 General 2, power-off charging, HDMI 2.0 with HDCP support, headphone, speaker, line-out jack, Ethernet, RJ45, DC in for AC adapter. The right fit: 14.31 inches W by 10.04, D by 0.94, H, 5.07 pounds. 1-year International Travelers Limited Warranty, ITW, up to 11 hours of battery life. To buy such a great watch, clicks on the down link present in description. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon button.